Hi, Brady. I'm making you the screencastify to show you what to do. So what you asked was, I forgot how do you access the project after I attached it to the Google Classroom. Could you explain it again? Okay, if you don't see this download arrow, then you have to open it in a new window. Usually there'll be 3 dots here, and one of the options is open in new window. Or over here, it'll say open a new window, okay? Like there'll be a little up arrow, okay? Yours might look different from mine, but in any case, if you don't see that download arrow, you have to open it in a new window, and you go here where it says download, and it will download to your temporary downloads on your device, okay? So what you're then going to do is you're going to go to the wick editor. So you go to the wick editor and you're going to launch the editor, and then you're going to do new. Okay. Well, actually, instead of new, you can do open. And what you'll see is, if you look at date modified today, is that there's a project here. It doesn't look like anything except it says .wick, the dot in the line, all this other stuff, and the word wick. So I click here and I open it. And this is actually your project. It only has a couple of frames in it, but this is your project. So I see your little guy here. That's the first frame. This is the second frame. I would turn on the onion skinning, and then I would probably use the cursor and I would move him a little bit. So that's how you would do it. Now, if you're going to work on it and you're going to add frames and move the guy around and do stuff to it, you're going to have to save it again, okay, when you're done. You have to keep saving it each time and keep saving new versions of it. So let's say I saved it again, and then I went back to Google Classroom. Now, I can't add to your project because I'm not a student in my class. What I can do is I can add to the assignment because the teacher makes assignments. So I'm going to just edit the assignment, and I'm going to hit add just to show you. And then you hit file, and then you go to upload, and then you go to browse. And again, you got to search your downloads. So you got to go date modified today, and it would be the most recent version. That was the version I downloaded before. This is the version I just downloaded now. So I would click on that. I would hit open, and it's going to upload. And there it is in here. This is a project. Actually, it's your project, but I'm not going to add it to the assignment because it's not my work. It's yours. So I'm going to exit out, and I'm going to X out of here and not save the changes. So I hope that helps. When you're ready to make the video, you hit export, but that's not what you were asking. You were asking if you saved it in Google Classroom and you need to access it again, what do? The answer is you have to re-download it and then re-upload it by hitting open on the wick editor. Okay? All right, hope that helped.